I understand you have 7 kids. I have 3.
Okay.
My husband and I would like to keep the romance alive, but what do you do if you think maybe one of the kids heard you getting romantic at night?
One of your kids heard y'all
Well, what
having
if you...
sex?
Yeah,
Really?
maybe.
All right now. Just in there doing the most, wasn't you? Well, let me ask you something, Dina. It depends on what they heard. Now, did they hear some sounds or did they hear voices?
Could have been a little of both.
Oh, yeah, you got problems. Unless you could just tell them you was watching TV and you was on National Geographic. And then we turned on the Discovery Channel and you know your daddy loves the gorillas. Hoo, 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 hoo. And then, you know, the Tarzan movie was on there. That's really all I can tell you, cuz other than that.